LSCO Gators. As part of the Study Strategies series, this week's video covers active reading, a study strategy used to understand, remember, and retain reading material. You may depend on active reading to assist in studying textbooks, to analyzing essays and stories. As Irish writer Richard Steele states, reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Since reading is such a critical aspect of college success, a review of active reading strategies heightens your ability to succeed. Active reading breaks down to 3 steps: preview, read, and reflect. Preview. Take a minute to scan your reading material. If preparing to study a textbook, survey the table of contents, browse your chapter's headings, and note any unfamiliar terms or concepts. You may want to peek at the reading review questions and learning outcomes as well. If you're reading a speech or essay, read the first and last paragraphs to get a sense of the author's central idea. These exercises will help identify the author's purpose and make connections for future inquiries. As you preview the material, write any questions to the side, then organize the questions about the material. You may have developed a few questions from the scanning stage, so make note of those. The questions will guide you through the reading process. To get started, here are a few to consider. What are the key concepts? What is the author's supporting evidence? How does the author challenge his or her main point? How does this reading relate to other course topics? Although this list will help you get started, remember, generating your own questions will help you to better engage with the material. Also, make sure to review questions from your textbook. You may want to write questions down on a separate sheet of paper, leaving a space in between each question to fill in while reading. Read. Read the material. As you read, underline important points, circle unfamiliar words, and list main points in the main margin. If you come across a familiar concept or connect material to another course, make note of it in the margins. Reflect. Take a moment to reflect on some of your questions. Were they answered? What about the review questions for that chapter? Did you underlining help find the answers? For textbooks, essays, speeches, and stories, write the central theme, concept, or idea in your own words. This will reinforce your understanding of the material you've read. Write your personal reaction to the text. Take a moment to think about how you would have presented this same topic or theme. Would you have done it differently? After teasing out the answers to your original questions, follow these steps. 1. Review any questions that came up post-read and consider whether you agree or disagree with the author's main argument. 2. If you're reading a textbook, review any unfamiliar terms or concepts for further study and relate what you've read to what you know. 3. Review questions, answers, unfamiliar terms, and any marginal notes before class. Our next essay entry on study strategies will explore the use of highlighters in college. Look out for it on this channel on Friday, April 23rd. Thank you for watching. See you next time.